In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain to Shopify quickly and efficiently. Whether you're launching a new online store or migrating an existing one, transferring your domain to Shopify can be a smooth process when you know the right steps to follow. So let's dive in and get started by opening up your Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of your Shopify account. This is your central hub where you'll manage all the key aspects of your online store. Once you're there, it's time to locate the Settings section. You can find this by looking towards the bottom on the left-hand side of your screen. It's where you'll manage all the configurations for your store. Next, within your Settings, you'll need to click on Domains. This section is crucial because it allows you to control everything related to your online address. If you're still using Shopify's default URL, this is where you'll make the change to a custom domain that represents your brand more effectively. Now you're in the right spot to add your existing domain. Look for the option that says Connect Existing Domain. Clicking this will take you to the page where you can start the process of connecting your domain. You'll see a text field where you can type in your domain URL. Take a moment to ensure you're entering it correctly. Small errors like forgetting www or the correct domain extension can lead to hiccups in the transfer process, so double-check everything before proceeding. After you've entered your domain URL, go ahead and click on Next. This will initiate the validation process, ensuring that everything is set up correctly on both Shopify's end and with your domain provider. You might need to log into your domain registrar's account separately to update DNS settings if prompted. Shopify will guide you through changes like adjusting your CNAME or A record to point the domain to Shopify's servers. And that's it! Once the setup process is complete, Shopify will periodically check your domain settings to confirm everything is correctly configured. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. I hope this tutorial was helpful and brings you one step closer to having your Shopify store up and running with your own custom domain. With this change, you'll be on your way to building a robust online presence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your Shopify journey.